Well, somewhere out there is a bunny hopping Jack Russell who couldn't care two hoots about the ball that she's just left down in a corner that I can't get at. In the meantime, she's going to have a little bit of fun. So I might as well just let you enjoy and laugh. Penny, come on, at least get in the picture. Come on. What are you doing? Are you going to get your ball? Nope. She says, I'm sorry, I'm very busy, Mummy. Oh dear. Hopeless little monkey. Utterly hopeless. Come on, Penny. Will you come over here and get your ball? Come on. Don't break my neck, it'll be a miracle. Honestly, Penny. Penny, this is very entertaining, but will you find your ball? And it's not over there, you know where it is. I'm not breaking my neck. Honestly. Little monkey. She's in her element in this undergrowth. Right, are you going to get your ball? Come on, come over here. Penny. Come on. Of course, what I've just realised, I've got the dentist in a little while. So I hope I can get her out of there in time. Little horror. Come on, little mischief. Penny! Well, here we go. I'll tell you, this is going to be a funny one. If I don't get her back... Come on! We don't get back in time, you're going to be in big trouble. Well, her ball is somewhere down there. As to how I can get there is another matter, because it's actually rather steep and dangerous. But anyway, Penny's happy. So toodaloo for now, everyone, while I try and work out what we're going to do next.